What is the difference between simplified Chinese and traditional Chinese? In this video, I'm going to talk about two major differences so you will have a better idea of both. First, let's look at geography. Simplified Chinese is widely used in mainland China and some countries in Southeast Asia, such as Singapore, whereas traditional Chinese is favored in Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan. Traditional Chinese generally has more strokes and is more complicated in writing compared to simplified Chinese, but some are the same. Let's look at some examples in the table. The circled areas are the differences. As you can see, love and luck are different, whereas home is the same in writing. For people who are from Guangdong province, Hong Kong, Macau, they tend to use traditional Chinese in writing and Cantonese in speaking. So, are you ready to learn some Chinese?